Hey 8th graders, quick little modeling quiz for you guys today on your Wednesday. So this is the 1.5 Ice Pop modeling quiz. So first and foremost, your guys' goal of this quiz is to show me that you can model the 3 different states of matter, focusing in on the appearance of those states of matter, the molecules' freedom of movement in those different states of matter, and the energy of those states of matter. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the next slide. This is your guys' instructions for this quiz, and then if you guys go ahead and click this link right here, it will pull your guys' modeling tool up, which looks a little something like this, and I'll show you guys how to use that here in a second. Okay, so your goal is to show how an ice pop and the molecules it is made of are different before and after it melts. So you guys are going to be looking at an ice pop before it melts. What's its state of matter? What do the molecules look like? What's its appearance? How are the molecules moving? And then after that ice pop melts, what's its state of matter? How are the molecules moving? And what's the appearance of that state of matter? Okay, so to do this, you guys will press the little pencil icon on each the before and the after model. And then you guys will edit the description for that. So you guys will be able to select which phase that is in before it melts and after it melts. Okay, what the molecules, how the molecules are moving before it melts and after it melts, and then the appearance of that phase before it melts and after that ice pop melts. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. Okay, here's our modeling tool. So you guys will need to click this pencil and this pencil. So let's go ahead and look at the before first. So if you guys notice the bottom of this box, substance description before. So that's before the ice pop melts. So we'll click here. You guys will choose what phase it is in, gas, liquid, or solid before it melts. You guys will select all of these under appearance that apply to that state of matter you chose. And then you guys will choose one of these 4 molecule movements to express how those molecules are moving in that phase that you chose. Then you guys will hit close and you guys will see that we'll have saved for you. Okay, obviously I didn't click on anything, so there's nothing in those boxes. Then you guys will come over here to the right-hand side of this model where we have the substance description after. So again, this is after that popsicle has melted. You guys will click here. You guys will choose what that phase of matter is after that popsicle melts. You guys will choose one of these 4 here to tell me how the molecules in that popsicle are moving after it melts. And then you guys will choose the appearance of that state of matter after it has melted. Again, you guys might use more than one of those. Okay, you probably will use more one of those. And then you guys will click close, and you guys then will be able to see before and after there. Okay, what you guys need to do to turn this in is obviously this needs to be put into this PowerPoint. So on slide 3, you will need to insert a screenshot of your icicle or your popsicle model below that shows the before and after. Okay, when we're looking at this, I just need this black box here. Okay, so if you guys are using something other than a Chromebook, you guys can search and use your snipping tool where you guys just click new, you click and hold to drag, and you grab just this little area that we need right here. Okay, then you guys can go ahead, right click to copy, and then to paste it, you guys would do Control V. Okay, so my image should show up there for you guys. If you are using a Chromebook, this is how you guys take a screenshot. Again, I don't need your whole screen. I just need that little black box. Okay, so if you guys look right here, you guys have your Control and your Shift button. You guys will hold both of those down at the same time. And then you guys will click this little key located above the number 6 on your keyboard. Okay, that will give you guys a chance to click and drag on your screen. And you guys will click and drag and highlight this little black area here. Okay, once you guys are done doing that and you've released your drag, you guys will have that same image pop up in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and below that it'll say copy to clipboard. You guys will click copy to clipboard, and then you guys can come right in here and hit Control V, and that should show up for you guys on your slide as well. And then last but not least, please resize it so I can see it. You guys can go over the words too, that's totally fine. But I should be able to see your guys' image well enough to make out the appearance, how the molecules are moving, and what phase you chose before and after that popsicle melts. All right, last little section is your wrap up. So how do you think you did? 4, you definitely nailed it. You know absolutely everything about those 2 states of matter. Solid A or B, but not perfect. Number 2, C or D at best. And then I have no clue what I'm doing and I need help is going to be a 1. So circle 4, 3, 2, 1 to tell me how you did. And then finally, you guys are done. That is it for your Wednesday assignment. Please hand this in, and I hope you guys are having a great day. I will talk to you soon.